Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Igbo Nono, and you're welcome to in today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe so you don't forget. I know you do forget. Lesson today is characters and what they are doing in Igbo language. Characters and what they are doing in Igbo language. Yes, this is an animated video. We'll be learning characters and what they are doing in Igbo language. The person you're seeing now is Mr. Joe. Yeah, I named this character Mr. Joe. So Mr. Joe will be using himself as a case study. Mr. Joe will be using himself as a what? Case study. So let us start. Kanyibido. Let us start. In Igbo language means ka anyị bido. Sitting, odo. Sitting, odo. Mr. Joe is sitting. Sitting, odo. Nodo, odo. Sit down. Nodo, odo. Sit down. Nodo, odo. Sit down. Nodo, odo. Sit down. So, odo. Sitting. Sitting down, nodo, ala. You can see nodo, odo. You can see nodo, ala. Just depends on the dialect, but it all means the same thing. Somebody can say nodo, ala. Somebody can say nodo, odo. It means sit down. So you can have a visitor and you tell the person, welcome. No. Nodo, odo. Nodo, ala. It's usually said. When you tell somebody welcome, next is to tell the person to sit down. So sitting happy. Nodo ala obi ụtọ. Nodo ala obi ụtọ. You can see Mr. Joe is seated and is smiling happily. Nodo ala obi ụtọ. Nodo ala obi ụtọ. Nodo ala obi ụtọ. Sitting angry. Odu iwe. Odu is sit. Iwe is angry. So sitting angry. Odu iwe. Odu iwe. Remember today's videos is characters and what they are doing, right? Standing up. Guzo oto. Some people say koro oto. They all mean the same thing. Guzo oto. Koro oto. Standing up. When you're standing up, what you're doing is guzo, iguzoro oto. Or ifu oto. Koro oto. Guzo oto. Koro oto. Guzo oto. Hi or hello basically is the basic greetings like ndewo. Ndewo. When you say hi or hello basically you're greeting. And greeting in Igbo is ndewo. It presents hi or hello. Holding an object. Ojide ihe. Some people say ojide ife. It's just dialect. It means the same thing. Ojide ihe. Holding an object. Ojide ihe. Ojide ife. They are the same thing. Working on PC. Ana arụ ọrụ na PC. Ana arụ ọrụ na PC. Ana arụ ọrụ na PC. Working is ọrụ in Igbo. Working is ọrụ in Igbo. Yes. I'll still bring up a video conjunction word in Igbo that is usually used often. That is na. Conjunction. We use it to conjoin words. But that will be in another video. Na arụ ọrụ na PC. Holding a cane. Ojide ekpete. Or ojide mkpịsị. They mean the same thing. Ojide ekpete. Or ojide mkpịsị. Ojide okpete and ojide mkpịsị, they mean the same thing. Holding a cane. Ojide okpete, ojide mkpịsị. Thank you all. Let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed today's video. Please follow me on Instagram at Igbo. Please, once you follow me on Instagram, please, I would like to see your comment down the comment section where you're coming from. I mean on my Instagram. Please, when you follow me on Instagram, indicate in the comment section that you're coming from the YouTube family. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Get this video to 1,000 subscribers in 2 days. Okay, it is what doable. What you just need to do is to share this video as much as possible. Another lesson. I will see you people in another lesson. Okay, goodbye. Goodbye.